right side, come back down the left side. We're gonna pitch it up. We're gonna pick and roll. We're gonna pick and roll for the point guard to play the little pass. Go, 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 go.
A little bit of patience for that screen.
So in the NBA, when I played, you three step off the floor. That's how far the seat back up. They return to the in college, if anybody in high school, you guys can still step off the floor. Get them at the floor. It was the damnedest thing when I played something and Ralph Sampson was like, watch this dumb motherfucker. The guy was Ralph Sampson, the man of my work. And Coach Tone, the motherfucker that was checking, I know the older through came out the floor with it. The craziest shit I ever seen. I'm like, fuck, but then they said that's illegal. So you guys, college always doing that guy all the year. You know what I'm saying? That make sense? Alright? And then continue. That's a tip. They're called illegal offense. Alright, go back to your teams. Go back to your teams. Go back to your